Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for air sign Libra. So this reading is for the remaining month of June. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So Libra, let's see your recent past. Okay, your recent past. Six of Cups, King of Swords and Ten of Pentacles. So you both have strong soulmate connection or past life connection, or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Earth sign, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aries and Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. It could be any sign. Definitely your person is very committed and very straightforward, and he definitely in past he offered stability to this connection because there is a strong soulmate connection. Six of Cups. Already for some reconciliation is already happened in past. So what is going on your connection right now? Let's see. Libra. Nine of Cups. Lot of water energy. Nine of Pentacles. Chariot. Yes, definitely your person want to take things next level. The Chariot. And Nine of Cups, you are their wish fulfillment. I think your person is very abundant, or you could be very abundant here. I think your person is independent. You are their wish fulfillment. Definitely they want to take things to next level right now. So the near future actions towards you. Libra, your person near future actions towards you. The Miser, Four of Pentacles. I think your person could be stubborn. Guidance, Three of Pentacles. 3, 4. Harmony, Ten of Cups. Wow, Nine of Cups and Ten of Cups. Your person is not expressive, so in near future they will express their feelings to you, but it will take time. Definitely they want a happy life with you. Ten of Cups, harmony in this connection. They want to take things to next level because Chariot and Ten of Cups here. Guidance, Three of Pentacles. You both have to work on this relationship. Definitely it will go to next level. So they in near future they will express their feelings to you, and they want to take things to next level. So let's pull some cards from universe. Final message. He's here, the Fool. Transformation, death. So your person undergo some transformation. Totality, Five of Wands. Two of Swords. I think your person may be at some crossroads. They are undergo some transformation, and then they realize you both, and they will come towards you and offer a new beginning. If some are in separation, because there are some disputes in past. Five of Wands, and if you are not in separation, definitely your person want to take leap of faith and they want to take risk regarding this relationship. Definitely they want to they want to take things to next level because they are not expressive. That is the issue I think here, because one person is expressive and another person is not expressive. So definitely they will come towards and express their feelings, and they want to take things to next level, Libra. So this is the reading for you. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys. Bye.